is a man-made havoc. The incident which took place here is a man-made havoc. A wall was constructed just 6 days prior. The construction of the wall started 6 days back. Construction of the wall was completed 2 days before. The fact that Chandanotsavam was to be done today is a well-known fact to the entire state of Andhra Pradesh. Everybody knows about it, the date of this occasion. And it's also a well-known fact that lakhs of people, more than 2 lakhs people, were to attend to this occasion. This happens every year. It's a well-known fact. When the government is fully aware of the date that so and so occasion is going to take place, and lakhs of people would be attending to this occasion, attending on this occasion. What was the government trying to do? They started constructing a wall 6 days before this incident, and that too a 20-meter wall. That means 70 feet wall in length, 10 feet in height, and there were not, you don't even see cement columns in between. Entire thing is fly ash brick blocks. People, the scene from there is that the wall shook like a flexi when the incident took place. And when this wall, how did they authorize the construction of this wall? What were the ministers doing? A team of ministers who were constituted to supervise the occasion. What were they doing? Tenders were also not called for the construction of this wall. You should have actually gone in for a reinforced concrete wall with weep holes. And you knew this date, and you knew this day, and the construction of the wall should have started much in advance, months in advance. But then you constructed the wall just 6 days before, completed it 2 days before, knew very well that during the Chandanotsavam, every year, during this occasion, you would have rains. It's always been a sentiment. And this year also, you had rain. But then you knew that you had rain. You also knew that the wall was new. You also knew that the wall had no columns. And yet you had the queue, you had the people right beside the wall pass through into the temple.